Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'm on today to do some stuffing in my Save 2023 in 2023 with some completed savings challenges that I did week before last. I don't know if you remembered that I did the My Money Matters, the Wafty Cash Challenge, and also the £50 one as well from My Money Matters. Lovely Esther. Anyway, I want to count up this money and I want to stuff it into that envelope today. I was going to say something else, but I've totally forgotten now. Anyway, let's just do this. So what we have here is £50, and this was 56, but I rounded it up to 60. Each letter was £2, and it came up to 56, yeah. And this one's 50. So here's the 50. 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. And the 60 for Wafty. That's 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Let's see what we can stuff today. Okay, let's just put this aside for a minute and get that out. All right, I think I'm going to do two 50s today, and there's £10 left over. I'm going to use it for rollover. So if I do two 50s, that's 100, right? That's 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I've got £10 balance, which I'm going to use for rollover. I will do a count up of this envelope soon. Haven't got far to go now, and I'm happy with the progress. I started in April. This is the second time around with my Save 2023 in 2023. So I'm really proud of myself. Very, very happy with the outcome of that. So that is stuffed, and then I will just put the rollover in here. Let's see what I've got. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35 rollover, and I think this will be going to sinking funds. That is that. I just wanted to come on and share this with you, just so I'm accountable to where the money is going. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.